Just so you know, ChillCon Sheffield is one of my absolute favourite conventions, except today we're in Derby. How's this going to go? Hello Explorer, today is looking packed. Games to play, miniatures to paint, stuff to buy, all the Sheffield highlights are here, plus a whole bunch of new traders and games to check out. Will Derby deliver the same amazing experience as Sheffield? Let's do a lap. Like Sheffield, Derby takes place in a local school. It's split across 2 halls and a third space and an outdoor area with some street food vendors. Inside there's about 30 stalls and about 15 gaming tables, so there's lots to see. Plus you've got the hobby clinic, the games library and a whole load more highlights which I'm going to show you right now. Up these awesome minis, Oozlings by ChillCon Games. I think they'll be perfect for a Hero Quest dungeon. I'm looking forward to painting those up. That's one little purchase, maybe room for one more, we'll see. Of awesome looking gaming tables behind me. They look pretty good from here, but I think they'll probably look a whole lot better up close, and I'm going to try and get a few games in. So let's go take a look. So I'm about to embark on a Wild West adventure. I'm playing a simplified version, Dead Man's Hand. It's by the same guys that I've played Zombie Glory with at previous ChillCons. So I trust these guys, they know what they're doing, hopefully I'll know what I'm doing as I shoot my way to victory. I've lost my first person. This is turning into a massacre. I've lost 2 men, 1 left. been murdered. All 3 guys are down. I inflicted a few wounds that have subsequently healed. But yeah, sadly, my Western shootout career is at an end. So a little update, I did have a second bash at Dead Man's Hand, and I was actually victorious. We decided to leave it as a draw between the 2 of us, but very good game, really enjoyed that. It was only a simplified version, so I don't know how it translates with the more complex rules, but I would definitely be tempted to pick this up in the future, even just to play it like this, because it was really fun, super simple, quick skirmish game, good fun. Highlights I'm going to show you, I've got mixed feelings about. I'm happy to see it back because it's really enjoyable, but also sad memories of the mess that I made last time. It's time for the speed painting competition, Paint in 20. Time for redemption. Pretty impressive, eh? I think I crushed that. And let's all remember that we're all winners for joining in and participating. I mean, in this situation, in this case, I'm not the winner, but I still feel like a victor. I don't know if it's too late to enter this in the painting competition, so let's go and find out if I can do that. Competition again is just through the roof. It's always so mind-blowing just looking at the talent and the skill of all the people who enter the competition. Really incredible. I think my favourite of the dioramas is probably Scrap. It's just super detailed, there's loads going on with it, and just as a fan of the TV show, I really like the Sharpies being represented. I've been rewatching that on ITVX. I think mostly it's just a good job that I don't have to judge these, because how do you even pick the best one? They're all so good. What do you think? Let me know below. key things I really love about ChillCon is just how accessible and how manageable it all is. It's a perfect size. You can get around, see everything, play a few games, talk to loads of people, buy some cool stuff, and you don't walk away feeling like you've missed anything. Some of the bigger Wargame shows I've been to, I've been all the way around and I haven't been able to get everything in, I've missed loads of stuff, and you just walk away feeling like you've missed out on the day. Also, it's really accessible. Again, other Wargame shows, I don't always feel like I can just go over and join in, whereas here, everyone's so welcoming and friendly. It's really, genuinely always a pleasure coming here. One of my absolute favourite conventions, really great day, great people, and if you had to decide between Derby or Sheffield, I'd just say go to both of them. They're both pretty comparable, both really good days out, and if you'd like to see my last time as at Sheffield, click left, or click right in maybe a couple of weeks where I'll be doing a completely different type of video all about collecting. See you soon, explorers.